how to install WhatsApp and how to create a WhatsApp account. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to quickly and in just a few steps install the WhatsApp application and create an account on it. Open the Play Store, which we will use to download the WhatsApp application. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type WhatsApp. When the app icon appears, click on Install and wait for a few moments. Once the app is installed, press Open to access the app. To start, you need to select your preferred language from the options provided. We will choose English and click on the green arrow to proceed. To give consent to accept WhatsApp's terms of use and privacy policy, click on Agree and Continue. Now, grant permission to receive notifications by clicking on Allow. To verify your account, you need to select your country and enter your phone number. Click on Next. Press OK. You can verify your account through a phone call. Click Continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts by clicking on Allow. Click on Allow again. Do not answer the call. We answered the call, but you should not do that. If you make the same mistake, you can verify your account using an SMS code. We did not receive the code, so we requested a new one by clicking on Didn't Receive Code. Click on Resend SMS. WhatsApp will automatically insert the received code. If it doesn't, insert it by yourself. If you want easier messaging and sharing of photos with family and friends, you can allow WhatsApp to access your photos and contacts. This time, we skipped this step and clicked on Not Now. Click Cancel if you don't want to restore a backup automatically. If you do, click Continue and set an email for backup. Enter your name. After that, click on Next. And your account is created. If you want to send a message to someone, click on Send Message. Allow access to your contacts by clicking on Allow. Now you can select the contact to whom you want to send a message, and that's it. We hope this video is helpful to you and please follow us for more useful tutorials. See you soon.